What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and we're back on the 35 hot rod truck. And today is a little thing type of day. A lot of little things that we're gonna knock out. Ain't that right, buddy?
It is. We're gonna put a switch back here for the battery, I think.
Yeah. So
we can not have to pull the entire bed apart to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery.
Yeah, which, man, that's kind of a pain. Or also, we can fix all these zip tie stuffs and hang the wires using those clips. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna knock out a lot of little things. Get this, maybe a little in there too. We'll see. But yeah, fun times. Stay tuned. We'll probably either do a time lapse or just kind of update you guys when we get back, figuring out what we're doing. Stay. Welcome back, guys. So Brian, what do we accomplish?
We got a disconnect switch for the battery put in there.
Yeah.
It's all nice and hidden.
Nice and hidden. Oh my goodness, kind of hard to see. But you see those two terminals right there? Oh, there we go. So we got these two terminals ran behind the AccuSump bracket and in the battery. So we have a nice ground, and I kept the ECU ground going straight to the battery. That way it has solid clean power, not going through a disconnect. Most ECU companies, they always complain about that. So we prevented that from happening. So, but yeah, and I just test fired it. The car does turn on still, so that's a win. So yeah, next we're gonna work on cleaning up all of these wires, getting this going, and then yeah, we'll work on something else. We'll keep plugging along at this stuff. All right, stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So, Brian?
What's up, peeps?
We knocked out a lot since the last time we talked to them.
We did.
You want to show them the back part first, and then we'll go to the...
Yeah, well, the back part's really not bad, so.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't do much. So, we decided against the little things. We just really cleaned up the zip ties. And as it turns out, you can't even really see them. And we noticed that the bed was sitting very flat on it anyway, so it's not going to be an issue. So, yes, simple.
Sometimes simple is good.
But let's take a little peek. Woo! So we got the ooh, need some light in here. We mounted the dash and got it figured out. What I couldn't figure out last video, we got figured out here. Just took a little Brian's intelligence, but working headlight switch and working ignition. And thankfully I wasn't recording when I turned on the car, when I forgot I was playing with the shifter, and the car almost ran into my house. How fun was that?
With a blanket over the engine.
Yeah, there was a blanket over the engine too. Not my brightest moment, okay, people? But yeah, so we got everything going. Next, we just gotta shave this down a little bit. I don't like how it sits out a little bit. So we're gonna shave the back down so this will sit a little more flush. But everything works. Haven't tested the gauges out. I'm still playing wiring right now. But we're getting close, because now I know where this headlight switch is gonna sit. I know where to put everything else. Yeah, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Brian's about to go to work.
Yay, work.
Yeah, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow. And then after that, Brian and I will put this stuff back together. Welcome back, guys. So it's just me by myself right now. Brian's not here for today. But I kind of wanted to show you guys. So we got a lot of stuff done, a lot of little stuff. This is the little things video. But there's something that I kind of teased before, and I think it's finally time to show you guys. Especially because there's something I need to ask you guys. I need your opinion on something. So this is what we did with the wood bed. So this is 3/4 inch plywood. So some pretty thick stuff. And yeah, it's a little bit of a gap on each side, but I've already figured that out. I'm gonna do, so you know how in the wood beds they have the metal plates in between. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna figure out how many looks good, whatever. But I got some wide enough to fit like right here to cover this gap on both sides. I just need to make sure I have this completely centered, which isn't that hard. And then I'm just gonna have those slats, like I bought enough for every 6 inches, but I'm gonna see what looks good. So we're gonna keep doing that. Now, all this was just, we took a big like roofing torch and just torched this slightly. But I'm also considering doing like a barn red stain on it. So this is my test piece. So kind of want you guys' input on it. So the color scheme of this car is going to be, the body's going to be gray. These metal pieces, anything that's metal in the bed or anything that's exposed metal right now is going to be black. And let's see, I have a sample of the gray. So we're looking at, let's see, about that shade of gray. So that's the body color. We're gonna have that shade of gray for the entire body. So it's gonna be that. Inside of here is gonna be black. And I'm thinking of staining the burnt wood, minus my footprint that's in it. Literally just stepped in it. But staining that red with the burnt. I think, me and Brian think it's a cool effect, but I'm kind of going to get your guys' opinion as well. So, yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now with this. And a little sneak preview. This video is spanning over a couple weeks actually. We do have the drill press. I do talk about it in more detail in the upcoming door video. We're still working on it. This thing is amazing, especially when you get the proper drill bits. Proper drill bits are key. But yes, outside of that, we have to take the dashboard out again. There's just a couple things I have to finish wiring for that. And yeah, then I can actually take this on a test, excuse me, to do, to check all the gauges work, and we're probably gonna go for another drive. And I know you guys wanna see that. So that's about it for right now. That's it for this video. I do appreciate you guys watching, and please comment down below your thoughts on the red, because I'm kind of curious about that. I really want to do that. But, you know, I may or may not be colorblind or have any sense of style, so who knows. But yeah, comment down below. Tell me what you think. If you like these type of videos, hit the like button and hit that subscribe button. We're going to keep them coming. I try to upload videos at least once a week, every Tuesday. So at a bare minimum, you guys will get a video every Tuesday. I'm trying to get more content and find time to push them out 2 to 3 times a week, but full-time job, Brian works full-time job, it gets a little tough. But yes, I do appreciate you guys. You guys have been awesome. Have a good one.